I am Dr. Ramesh Bhattacharyya. I am a consultant neurologist. I have interest in epilepsy, and because of the Epilepsy Day, I am giving some amount of impression about these disorders. Understanding epilepsy, epilepsy is a medical condition where a person has recurring unprovoked seizure. Epilepsy can occur at any age, and early diagnosis and treatment can control seizure and potentially life-threatening complication can be avoided. Medication can stop seizures in about 70% of the patient. Although some of the patient may not be that much responsive to anti-epileptic drug, but it is effective almost 50% of the situations. What causes epilepsy? Some known causes include developmental abnormalities in the brain, infection that injures brain, lack of oxygen in brain, disturbance of blood circulation in the brain, and tumor of brain, previous trauma or head injury. What are the symptoms? The most visible sign of epilepsy is a seizure. Seizure usually lasts from seconds to several minutes. There are many types of seizures. Some are severe, some are subtle. Patient may not respond, may not remember attack. Seizure may be widespread in the form of convulsion, that means abnormal movement, brief staring spell, that means looking up straight, repetitive automatic behavior, chewing, and abnormal what is going on, not aware about the situations. Now, it should be patients should be encouraged for treatment. Now, epilepsy is a contagious disease. It's not. 75% of the cases we do not know the real cause, but some percentage already I have mentioned, they can be of secondary cause. Is it a mental illness? No, it's not a mental illness. It can be treated, and you can follow your tongue. This is not, because it has been seen. There are a lot of stalwarts in the field of science, in the field of literature. They suffered from epilepsy without having any sort of disability, like that of Charles Dickens, Julius Caesar, and one of the sports personality John T. Rhodes. So that means cognitive and intelligence remain intact in majority of the epileptic patient. Only children suffer from epilepsy? No. As I already mentioned, that young, adult, and also older population, they can equally suffer from epilepsy. Now, epilepsy is caused by spiritual attack? It's not, because it is the brain disorders which causes epilepsy. It is not any force which is coming outside causing this type of things in the brain and this type of features. So thank you.